Hi everyone, my name is Tiffani Appling and I'm an undergraduate student working in Dr. Samek's College Experiences Study Lab in HDFS, but I'm actually a junior in College of Science and Mathematics. So the goal of our study was to evaluate whether involvement in Greek life was associated with higher rates of alcohol use disorder. Alcohol use disorder is defined as impairment in one's psychological, social, or physical health. Previous research has shown that those involved in fraternities had higher rates of alcohol use. However, less research evaluated fraternities versus sororities compared to those not involved in either. So to fill this gap, we used data from Dr. Samek's College Experiences study in order to evaluate to what extent Greek life predicted rates of AUD. So results of our study showed that about 40% were involved in a sorority or fraternity, and Table 2 shows the frequency of those who met criteria for AUD. So the answer to our question was yes. Those involved in a fraternity had 6 times greater odds for developing alcohol use disorder compared to those not involved, and those in a sorority had 2 times greater odds for developing alcohol use disorder. Surprisingly, those not yet enrolled but that they checked that they were planning to enroll had the greatest risk with 7 times greater odds for developing alcohol use disorder. This does follow previous research saying that those involved in Greek life were more likely to use alcohol, but it added to that research by saying that they're at a much higher risk of developing alcohol use disorder. Future research should consider how personality influences Greek status in relation to alcohol use disorder. Additionally, research should consider investigating Greek organizations' rules and regulations, as well as their substance use education programs. Thank you.